Okay, so I'm thinking while I'm getting ready for my show, maybe I could do a demo on how I prep my boards for transportation. For the most part, most of my paintings look like this. They're on boards that I made myself. And then I've actually been repainting the sides and rewired a lot of them. But basically, I put bubble wrap around them and then tape it. The old way of doing some of these panels and canvases was using this stuff, which is, I don't know, kind of like wax paper, but these ones I actually took out of the paper. It's not wax paper, it has nothing on it so that nothing sticks to it, which is one of the big pains in using it, is that you have to stick the tape to itself by wrapping it all the way around multiple times. And that's also why it's hard to get it flat. But if you see there, I actually did take these all out. I bubble wrapped them, and then just for extra protection, rewrap them in this pain in the butt stuff. And so I'm about to begin, but you know, our first requirement is to have a completely messy area, right? Because you're an artist and that's how everything happens. So I'm going to clean off my area and then I will continue. Alright, I wanted to point out one thing. This is a different style of basically like light framing. And as you can see, it's kind of like making a shadow box where it's got like a lip. And that's just created, these are the same size boards as I've been using. The only difference is that this lattice board is thicker. And one of the things, I didn't really want to do it at first, because one of the things that's annoying about this is you end up with dust and stuff down here, so you have to either constantly clean it or keep repainting it, which is annoying. But the other thing is, if you do it the opposite way, where instead of having the lip in the front of the painting, you actually have it in the back, then you can continue to put your eye screws in the back and screw them, and then you don't have to worry about the fact that the painting won't sit flat against the wall, because this will be popped out and it'll still be flush against the wall instead of trying to hand screw it in here. So I just wanted to point that out for you guys. Not being an uber cheapskate, you can actually just wrap the whole painting instead of leaving the gap in here. And I'm actually really excited that I found this wider bubble wrap, because the stuff I was using before, trying to do these, even though these are smaller paintings, just barely be able to get the edge. And that's usually, if I'm gonna damage a painting, that's usually where I damage it. I'm transporting. I don't know if you can see this. My lucky cat. I'm just talking about the preparation. So instead of having to cut it, I'm just